Good morning, heartache, you old gloomy sigh. Good morning, heartache, thought we said goodbye last night. I tossed and turned until it seemed you were gone. But here you are with the dawn. Wish I'd forget you, but you're here to stay. It seems I met you when my love went away. Now every day I start by saying to you, good morning, heartache, what's new? Stop haunting me now. Can't shake you no how. Just leave me alone. I've got those Monday blues, straight through Sunday blues. Good morning, heartache, here we go again. Good morning, heartache, you're the one who knew me well. Might as well get used to you hanging around. Good morning, heartache, sit down.